on guard, and his mind rang a silent alarm. And so lays the ground of a future that waits when you feel like you ain't where you are. Out of control is compulsion to flee, absent of value as best he could see. As from within, so without unto thee, knew he'd strike out on his own eventually. And so it would be, patience no virtue amid certainty. Fortunate known but determinedly, on the day when he had turned 23, he decided to leave, he was gone. Like an addiction, he soared on a glorious high. Living to him was a mission devoid of objective in mind. He moved at the drop of a dime with no thinking or questioning why. Never developed attachment to things or would get left behind. This was the method that patterned his ways. Perpetual motion without any reins. No repercussions, no piper to pay. No obligation to come into play. Nothing away, no one to sway. No inhibition or stress to allay. No benefit to the bond that he'd say. So die on the morrow but live for this day. Lone as the wolf strays, he remained one in kind. A habit of force made as he weighed far and wide. Now onwards and upwards, no grind. If you don't seek, you can't find. Devil may care, well no devil compared. He was on a one hell of a ride, he was gone. Disguised from things insecurity hides. Running from doubt and the pressure to cope, and no semblance of hope on the rise. Running from heartbreak and love, running from who he had failed to become. Running from theory, then came to realize he was left all alone with the words of the wise. And so on, the day when our passage entwined. Now longing the truth at the end of his line. He said, friend, go yonder, but bear this in mind. In this world, no one truth, you can't run from time.